Hi sweets, how y'all babies doing today? So I know this isn't a typical video that I would upload, but I've been super into clean with me and organization videos lately, and I was about to clean my kitchen and I thought, why not record it and make the content that I enjoy watching. Hopefully you enjoy too. So as you can see, my kitchen has a lot of dirty dishes, dirty pots, the floors are dirty, there are things that are just completely out of place. So I'm gonna be doing a deep clean to get it to look like the reveal video that you would have seen. So let's get cleaning. Welcome to my messy kitchen. So I have a system for cleaning my kitchen. I like to do things in a specific order. When you watch this video, it might not make sense to you. I am open to all your suggestions. I mean, it works for me now, but if you guys have something better, then I'm open to it, because it takes me hours to clean my kitchen. Even when it's not this messy, it just does. I don't know why, it just does. So anyways, as I said, this is gonna be a deep clean. I'm gonna be wiping down things, washing things, cleaning things, all of that jazz. So let's see how clean we can get this place, and I will tell you how long it actually took me to do it. So I'm gonna time it. So let's start. So I like to start things off by putting things back where they should be. So there are a lot of misplaced things, which is why the kitchen kind of looks as bad as it does. So I bought some groceries, so I'm just unpacking those, putting them where they should be, in the pantry and all around. So I like to do this first because it kind of clears off the clutter and I can just focus on what I need to do, which is actually clean the different areas of the kitchen. So I just put everything back in its place until we're kind of cleared off. Can I have one? So I also store my paper bags because they do come in handy. So I pack them away with where I put my other supermarket shopping bags, because they just come in so handy, especially when you're giving people things and all of that. So I like to store those. So once everything is kind of back where it should be, I like to start by washing the dishes. Now, everybody has a system for washing the dishes, right? So mine is I wash all my cups first, then my utensils, then my plates, then my dishes, and then I wash my pots last. Comment below and let me know the sequence that you use when you're washing dishes. This one just makes the most sense for me. You wash your cups, then your utensils. It just makes sense. It just makes sense. So if you have a different way, let me know how you wash your utensils. So after I finish washing them, I just rinse them, put the utensils in the drainer, and then my cups I place on a little drying mat that I have, just so the water can drain and be absorbed and all of that. And then once it's dry, I will pack the cups and everything away into where they should be. And yeah, so now we're moving on to my plates. So I like to just take all of the pots and plates, put them in the sink that I need to wash so I don't miss anything. And there's nothing I hate more than when I'm washing a plate and I realize that I left a utensil behind. It just messes up my flow, you know what I mean? That might just be a me thing, but that's how it is. And of course, your girl is cleaning to her favorite songs, because who cleans in silence? Like, hello? No, that is torture. So I have my favorite playlist on, and I've washed all my plates, and now we're moving on to the final thing, which are the pots. So I'm washing the pots, and then once I finish washing the pots, I move on to the appliances. So this range has a lot of oil stuck to it, and I haven't been able to get it off, so I bought a new spray today. and I was trying it and it really got the grease off. I mean, I had to put a lot of elbow into it, a lot of work, but I got it off. So after that dance interlude, we move on to the microwave, and I'm just using the same degreaser spray that I used on the range to clean it with a little soap, clean the outsides and the insides, and then I'll wash the tray and then dry it and bring it back. So I also did my fridge, but I couldn't be bothered to record it, so I wiped down all the appliances to make sure everything is good. Then I move on to the cupboard. So like I said, this is a deep clean, and things take up dust, grease, everything in a kitchen. So I'm just using my Clorox wipe and just wiping down all of the cupboard, the handles and everything to make sure it's clean, there's no dust. The last and final thing that you do that I'm gonna be doing is washing out my sink. Now if you don't wash your sink, I ain't gonna say you nasty, but you nasty. But then you've seen my kitchen, so maybe I ain't in no position to tell nobody that they're nasty. But you should really wash your sink. Like, you know, you clean things in it, make sure it's clean to clean things in it. So I'm just taking some soap and some bleach and just making sure that I scrub down the sink and the faucet, making sure everything's clean and shiny, and then I just rinse the whole thing off and I have a clean, shiny sink. Boom. Did I tell y'all how this detachable head was so convenient? Look at that, making this a breeze, just like, you know. And then the final thing that I do is mop the floors. I hate mopping, and you can tell that I am a novice at mopping. You see how I mop wild? My mother always says I mop wild, but I hate dipping the mop in the bucket and wringing it out. It's just not my favorite thing to do at all. But anyways, I clean the floors, and that is the final thing in cleaning. A clean kitchen, and now I can sleep and feel at ease because my house is clean, y'all. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if you'd like more videos like this. I low-key had so much fun doing it, and I want to say that cleaning my kitchen took me 2 hours. Let me know how long it takes you to clean your kitchen. Probably it's not as messy as mine, so it doesn't take so long, but it took me 2 hours to do this. So let me know in the comments, and thank you guys for watching. If you're not subscribed, subscribe now, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.